Hello all, welcome back to Crypto Tanuki's YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to obtain ring in the Polygon network. This tutorial will be helpful for you to play Evolution Land, avoiding the need to pay expensive Ethereum gas fees. So in this video, I decided to focus specifically on Eden Continent, the one deployed on Polygon ecosystem. That's because I liked its apostles very much, and also because I feel that Eden is one of the best starting points for a journey into Evolution Land. Within a moment, I will explain the process of obtaining ring in Polygon network. Later on, you can find out and do the same for playing in the Hyksos continent, but let's leave this explanation on how to buy ring in Hyksos chain for another occasion. So, are you ready for this quick but detailed guide into the first steps to play in Evolution Land Eden? Follow me! Well, the first thing you have to do is to access evolution.land. Then you have to click Get Started and then enter on Eden Continent, the one deployed on Polygon. To play here, you must have some budget to start buying land, apostles and drills. So you have to sign in your crypto wallet clicking on the top left. They will ask you to connect your MetaMask. Probably you already know MetaMask or at least already heard about it. MetaMask is the most famous browser extension cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain decentralized applications, DApps. So, if you already have MetaMask, you can go ahead and approve Evolution Land access to it. But if you don't have it, you have to download it and add Polygon network there. To download MetaMask wallet, you should go to the official website and click download. Then you will be asked to choose your preferred browser or mobile application and install the MetaMask extension. Currently, MetaMask supports iOS and Android native apps. As for browser extension, you can run it on Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. Then you will have to click on the button Get Started in your installed MetaMask and create a seed phrase. Click on Create a Wallet, create a strong password for your wallet and confirm your seed phrase. Worth mentioning that you have to store the seed phrase for your wallet securely. Now that you have downloaded MetaMask, you will have to add Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet. To do so, you should go to Custom RPC and complete the following information: network name, Polygon, new RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer. After you enter this information, click Save. Congratulations! Now your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Polygon Matic mainnet. Okay, so now you can connect your wallet into Evolution Land. If you do not have rings on your Polygon network yet, your balance should be 0. So let's improve that. Do you have any Polygon's native tokens Matic on your MetaMask wallet yet? If you already have it, obtaining rings in Polygon network is a piece of cake. You have to go to QuickSwap and exchange some of your Matic to ring. But remember to leave some Matic to pay for the gas fee. But even if you don't have any ring and any Matic yet, you can quickly obtain some. You have to find out exchanges for trading some of your savings into Matic. CoinMarketCap informs us that we can do that using Binance, Mandala Exchange, OKX, FTX and CoinTiger. But you have to check if they offer Matic in Polygon network and not in Ethereum network. And you will find out this information consulting the exchange. At this point, you must be thinking, Why can't we buy rings directly, since CoinMarketCap informs us that we can purchase ring in CoinTiger, Huobi Global, ZT, Gate.io and Bitwell? Okay, that's the point. In these exchanges, you can only buy ring in Ethereum network, which means you should pay Ether gas fees. That's why I'm proposing you buy rings through Polygon, that is, exchanging some Matic tokens into ring. After having some Matic in Polygon network, you should exchange some of this Matic into ring. To do so, go to QuickSwap official website, then authorize it to have access to your MetaMask wallet. Done! Now accessing evolution.land, you will find your balance of rings in MetaMask also available in the game. Now it's time to go shopping. Well, and that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next Crypto Tanukis video. Bye!